from the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News at 10.
Well, we did see a record number of new COVID-19 cases today, more than 2,300 confirmed and probable cases. That pushes the number of active cases past 11,600. Also, 1,968 Arkansans have now died, and our hospitalizations are at 826. That, too, another new record. Well, today, as promised, the governor announced a task force to focus on supporting hospitals and reducing coronavirus cases during the winter. The task force will explore ways to manage hospital capacity, increase coordination between hospitals and the state, boost compliance with the state's mask mandate, and assist hospital workers.
The winter months pose particular challenges for us. We have our hospitalization rates that are going up. We have our caseloads that are going up, not just in Arkansas, but nationally. And the critical link is our hospitals.
Well, one of the health professionals selected to be on the governor's task force is the CEO of Baptist Health, Troy Wells. In an interview with Channel 7, he said there are two things that need to happen to keep our hospitals well-staffed.
First thing we can do is not let it get worse. We don't need to lose nurses and respiratory therapists and doctors to other states that are also trying to come up with enough resources to care for their patients. So we've got to preserve what we have and look for ways to increase that if we can. And then the other thing we've got to do to make sure that we protect all our Arkansans is be able to coordinate care across the state. We want to make sure we can move patients seamlessly in different communities, from different hospitals if we need to make sure that we send patients where there's adequate staff and resources to take care of them.
Now, the first meeting of the task force is set for Monday via video conference. We're told that meeting will be closed to the public.